I don't believe this story. I don't buy this story. I had a quiet weekend. I had a low-key weekend. Can we start? Can't we get started? It's not that difficult to do. It's not a rocket science. Let's make things more exciting. Let's spice things up. Why are you in bad mood? Why are you cranky? I work hard to make sure I achieve my goals. I am extremely determined. Happy birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day. Leave me alone. Give me a break. I'm ignoring what you're saying. Talk to my hand. She's got a lot of money. She's absolutely loaded. I can show you incredible things. I am able to demonstrate you the spectacular matter you've never gazed at before.